Hello internet, it's me again, and today I feel like doing my makeup, so I'm just gonna do it right here, right now with you, whoever's watching. There's cat hair everywhere. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I never know what I'm gonna do when I start doing my makeup, so we're just gonna, dig around and see what I can have and just put it on my face. I already did my eyebrows. I put the ABH Brow Wiz on, because that's my favorite. I'm gonna use the Pure Festival palette. It looks like these inside. And yeah, I feel like putting this green shimmer on my eyes. It's called 24 Karat Magic. So I'm gonna use this and we're gonna see what we come up with. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is Epic because it's just a good transition shade, and I'm actually gonna go in with this fluffy Sephora brush. And we're just, actually I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer, just a little bit. I'm actually gonna dip into my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm gonna go in with this orange right here, it's kind of like an orange yellow, just to smoke it, like not smoke it out because it's not dark, just to put above this color and just help it blend. I'm gonna then actually go in with this, with the lighter yellow, and put that on my lid. This is kind of what happened. It's not the best, but with more practice, I'm sure it'll get better. I'm gonna go get a Q-tip. I'll be right back. The good thing is I'm gonna put on eyelashes. So I'm gonna go put on lashes and foundation, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I look crazy because I only have foundation and concealer on. So now I'm gonna just go in with contour. I'm gonna cream contour because I have not done that in a while, and I'm curious to see what it would like. So since I haven't done it in a while, I'm kind of scared, but we're just gonna go for it. We're gonna do it. So I'm gonna first go in with the ABH Cream Contour Kit, and I'm gonna go in with this middle shade and just start. I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is the Xoxo brush called Small Contour. And since we're here, I'm gonna contour my nose. Okay, so now I'm just gonna powder my face to set all of that, and then we're gonna go in with powder bronzer. To bake this face, and we're gonna go in with loose powder, which is definitely my favorite, and we're gonna go under the contour and on my nose. I forgot to contour my chin away. Now it's time to blush and highlight. My Too Faced blush, and for highlight I'm going to use my Honest Couture highlight. LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Bare. I'm just gonna line my lips. And I think I'm done. Thank you to whoever watched, I appreciate it.